In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notification on Brave. Let's get started by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once Brave is up, head to the top right corner of the window and click the menu icon. It looks like three lines stacked on top of each other. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where all of Brave's preferences live, and it's the best place to make sure your browser behaves exactly the way you want. Inside Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Privacy and Security. This section controls what information sites can access and how Brave protects you while you browse. Next, click on Site and Shield Settings. Think of this area as the command center for what websites are allowed to do, from using your camera and microphone to showing you notifications. Now, find and click Notifications. This is the dedicated page for managing notification permissions. At the top, you'll see the main control that determines whether websites are allowed to even ask for permission. If you want websites to be able to request notifications, make sure the setting that allows sites to ask is turned on. When this is enabled, you'll see a small prompt when a site wants to send alerts, and you can decide to allow or block on the spot. If you prefer not to be asked at all, turn this setting off, and Brave will automatically block notification requests across the board. You might also see an option for quieter messaging. Turning that on reduces pop-up prompts and keeps requests more subtle, which is helpful if you want fewer interruptions while still allowing important notifications through when you choose. Scroll a bit and you'll notice lists for sites you've already allowed or blocked. If you change your mind about a site, you can remove it from the list so it asks you again next time, or move it from block to allow for immediate changes. This is great for fine-tuning, especially if you only want notifications from a few trusted websites. Once you've set the main toggle and adjusted any site-specific entries, you're done. Notifications are now enabled according to your preferences. If you find you're getting too many alerts later, come back to the same page and tighten things up. And if you're not seeing prompts when you expect them, double-check that the global setting to let sites ask for notifications is on, and that the site isn't listed under block. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to enable notifications in Brave, tailor them to your needs, and keep your browsing experience both informed and distraction-free.